Okay, I finally got all this together. So this, I'll just give some hints if anybody else is watching this. This pulley here, which I got from a doorman, because I couldn't find it anywhere else. It doesn't go all the way back. It's like you don't know where it goes, but the way to tell is get these on, and then just go like that, and they should line up. So in other words, if I look back here, it still could go that much further. So it's like, what is right? So yeah, make sure this is power steering is bolted on. Everything is tight. Well, first make sure that the alternator lines up, and then get all this figured out, which I did in the other video, I think. And make sure you have this. Well, this line goes there, but I guess that's a separate issue. So anyway, make sure this goes on so it lines up like that. Because you can, I didn't think about it at first. I was thinking it goes all the way back. So there's a tool also that for pulling it off. If you got a bad one, this thing just clips on like that. And it's hard to stay out of the way of the camera. That goes like that. This thing slips over to keep it together. And actually this piece goes inside of that, so let me do it one more time. So you take, so this piece is going to push against that. So you make sure this goes in here like that. Like that. I guess I could put this on. No, I can't. Again, it's kind of awkward, but anyway, that's how it goes. Then you adjust this to get this in the right position. Right now it's in a different position. It's in a position that I pulled it off. And then to push it on, it came with 2 bolts. It came with this bolt, which is 2 different sizes. This thread is different than this thread. In other words, different diameter. But it also came with this one, so that just screws in when you're putting it on. Tighten this. As you turn that, it'll push the pulley out. But again, the question is, where do you stop? And you stop by lining it up. So that's that. Then I get the fuel pump in. I got the engine sending temperature, or engine water temperature sending unit, I guess you call it, or engine temperature sending unit. Then this piece here that I showed before, which the cables are going to run down. You gotta make sure it misses this power steering. I put this on here. This is the factory bin. And what else? Then I was talking about, it's not always easy to keep everything in the viewfinder. So I said before in a video a couple of times ago, what was this? I found out what this is. If the oil filter gets plugged up, it'll push this valve open, so you still have oil flowing. You'll have dirty oil flowing, but at least you have oil flowing. That's what this is. So behind here is the spring, and then this is the sending unit. I guess there's two different kinds. There's one that's just a light that goes on your dash, and there's another one with a temperature gauge. So this is two pieces fitting this. This is a factory. That's got a really small hole. I mean, I don't even know what, that's about a 32nd or less. And you put this adapter on, and that's got like a 3/16 hole. And that threads on here. That's for this, again, that's for this car. This year, I don't know about other years. Anyway, it threads on. You gotta get it just right. There it is. Make sure you put some Teflon tape. Then I have some spark plugs I want to put in. And I guess that's it. Thinking, what else have I got here? Again, this is to remind me. Also, I found out don't put this fan on until you get everything lined up, or else you won't be able to get a straight edge on there. So I just put 2 bolts with a couple washers, so it's tight. And that's it. I'm just gonna clean up my desk. I mean, or my work area. I mean, there's a lot of things I had to figure out. Again, here's the old, I don't know how it got like that. But the replacement is the doorman. Let me see if I got that part number. A doorman, 1154. I couldn't find it anywhere else. So doorman 1154. If you look it up, it's going to say does not fit your car, and then it's also going to say it does, but it works. It fits. And again, here's the old pump. I just took the part, there's washers that were left over because they had lost the spacers. I just like to take things apart. That was in there. And I've been wondering how this comes off. I don't know if it screws on or pops off. If you wanted to rebuild this, I got all the bolts out. Or maybe it pulls off this shaft. An extra cap. So I guess that's it. A little bit of progress. Slowly get it done. Slowly figure it out.